I'm gonna fill it up and let's get steaming. Oh, maybe I'll put the green material on the backdrop first.
Oh, it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of
Well, hello. Today we're gonna be taking the wrinkles out of a green screen as soon as I put it up. I just want to talk about what I purchased to do this. I haven't unboxed it, I haven't tried it. Apparently it is one of the top 5 steamers for 2020, portable steamers. It's the Pure Steam Portable Fabric Steamer. We're gonna try it out and see how it is. Now, let me just tell you a little bit about it before we get started. It's got a new nozzle design, I guess, from the old one. Like I say, this is my first one, so new nozzle design. It steams all different kinds of fabrics, so it's safe for all fabrics, including green screen, which is what we need. Apparently it distributes the steam powerfully and evenly, so it will get all of the crinkles and wrinkles and stuff out of our green screen material, because for a video using green screen, you definitely have to have your green screen super smooth, no wrinkles. The green screen fabric that I bought, that I'll link below along with this steamer and the backdrop, is the fabric that I purchased on Amazon. Damn, I can't remember how much it is, but I will link it. And the steamer was like 30 something Canadian-ish. I'm Canadian, so that's why we're always talking Canadian dollars. So yeah, this whole little setup isn't that expensive. The backdrop was 50-ish something Canadian, 30-ish something. The fabric, I believe, was around 28-ish Canadian. So yeah, the whole green screen idea isn't that bad. I do have lights, I'll do a different video for that. Yeah, for a green screen, if you're gonna do any videos with green screen, you definitely need to get the wrinkles out. Green screen fabric that I bought is very compact, so you can easily take it with you. Same with the backdrop, same with the steamer, because it's portable. But because it's the green material is so compact, it's all folded up, and of course it's gonna get wrinkles, so we need to get the wrinkles out. It says it gets the wrinkles out in less than 2 minutes. Now, we have a big backdrop here, so I don't think it's gonna be less than 2 minutes. Hopefully it's not gonna take a whole lot of time, but let's try this out and see what happens. The tank is big enough to let us steam for up to 10 minutes, so that's awesome, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna take at least 10 minutes to do this backdrop. All right, let's check it out. All right, what's in the box? Oh. Okay, I don't need to read now, so I can take those off. Then I can look a little cuter. Yeah, that's me. All right, cute. We have the steamer. Yes, it is nice and small and lightweight, so that's awesome. Cute. I like it. I'm not gonna lie. When I was going through trying to figure out what steamer to buy, I was actually looking for cuteness. I know it's pathetic, but if you saw my house, I've got hot pink walls, so that should say a little bit of something about me. Yeah. Cute is what I like. All right, functional and cute. We need functional and cute. To figure out how we are going to fill this. What else is in the box? Instructions. I would assume this is going to come off, and this is where we're going to fill it up. Oh. Okay, maybe I'm going to just read the instructions for a minute, and I'll be right back. Okay, this looks pretty easy. On the side, there's like a little lock and a little unlock. Kind of a little, I don't know what you want to call it, but there's a lock and an unlock. You're just going to turn this to the unlock position, pull it off, then you're going to fill it up, and there's a max little line there that you don't want to go past that. Then you're going to put this back on and lock it in place. Okay, so do not tilt once the water's in it and you're using it. Do not tilt it more than 45 degrees. It says it heats up and you'll have steam in 2 minutes. I'm going to fill it up and let's get steaming. Okay, let's put the green screen material on and get ready for steaming. This is going to be awesome. I'm so excited to try this. Lower this down, lower this down so that we can access it. Okay, and then we're gonna unscrew this. This. I guess maybe I don't actually even have to do that side. When I think about it, I only have to do this side because this has a rod pocket. We're just gonna slip this on. Oh, okay, let's slip this on. Okay, this is the side we're doing, I guess. Yep, this is the side we're going to be putting it on. All right. Oh, you didn't know this was a comedy channel, did you? Hi. All right. Okay, we're gonna put that back on there. Use our little wing nut. And we're gonna get this back up here. So now we're gonna put this wing nut back on. Okay, we're gonna raise this baby up. How do we do? Yeah, I like it. Might not be perfect, but it's okay. Okay, so for a green screen, depending on what you're doing, you're gonna want the green screen behind you, of course. If you are going to be standing out, which you should, and you want your ground to also be green, this material definitely will come out and do that. But for the purpose of this video, we just want to show you how to get the wrinkles out. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get going and let's check out this steamer. I'm excited to see how it works. All filled up, ready to rock. The switch is right here on the handle, so I switched it on, it's all lit up, and it says within 2 minutes we'll be getting steam, so we can start trying out this steamer. It also says that you should use distilled water, if possible, definitely not hot water. I just used tap water for now because, well, I didn't know about the distilled water thing at the time. I can already hear it, it's already starting to steam. I don't think it's been 2 minutes yet. I have got no steam yet, but I should have put the timer on. That would have been brilliant. Yeah, but hey, I know there's gonna be steam coming out of here any second. I can feel it, I can hear it. It's bubbling in there. Oh, here's the steam. Can you see the steam? Yes. Okay, let's try this out. Sorry, I might have to have my back to you a little. All right, we'll do right here in the middle. I'm pretty sure you can see the wrinkles. Okay. See, ooh, we're getting a little water. It seems like the hotter it's getting, the better it's actually taking out these wrinkles, which obviously makes sense. In my opinion, this is working amazing. Wow. I want to steam clothes now. You know, this is kind of therapeutic even. Wow, this is like working amazing. I'm actually getting this set up because I'm going to be shooting a video for my She Knows Vegas YouTube channel. If you want to check that out, I'll put the link below. What I'm using it for is I'm doing little weather reports for She Knows Vegas. You know, I can't get to Vegas, so I thought I better keep it interesting. So we're just going to do a little fun weather report. All right, back to steaming and paying attention, Heather. I think we're out of steam. Was that 10 minutes? I don't know. Turn it off. Voila, looks amazing. I'll just clamp it on the sides and it'll be nice and tight and wrinkle-free. What do you think about this steamer? One of the best rated ones for 2020. Portable, super lightweight, and cute. I like cute. If you're using a green screen in your videos, I highly recommend this. And even if you're just doing a backdrop and you just need it nice and smooth, and for sure for clothes, clearly I'm gonna be checking that out. That's it for the Pure Steamer review. Check it out, it's in the links below. Until next time.